Hello everyone, thank you for visiting our channel. Today we will be making vegan cookies. For this recipe we will need sugar, salt, flour, baking soda, baking powder, almond milk and peanut butter.
Into the bowl where we will be mixing the dough, place 1 cup of yellow sugar, half a cup of almond milk or any other kind of plant milk, and add a pinch of salt.
Place half a teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of baking powder into 1 cup of preheated all-purpose flour.
Next, into the sugar and milk, add 3/4 cups of peanut butter. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a like. We are grateful for all of your support.
Now add the prepared flour and mix the dough with a spatula, not for a long time. The dough turns out not very thick.
Please check if your peanut butter contains salt or sugar. If there is, then don't put in any salt and reduce how much sugar you put in.
Get a bit of dough and roll it into a ball. Press a little bit.
Place the tray with the cookies into the oven that has been preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You can cook for 12 minutes if you like soft cookies, or for 15 minutes if you like it to have a hard exterior and a soft inside.
Pour some tea and enjoy some homemade cookies made with love. Thank you for watching.
And see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.